Well, I have a customer today for two typewriters. One is my Smith Corona Secretarial. I'm gonna sell these for $40, by the way. I got this one not too long ago, about a month. And I got this one Christmas 2012. Christmas 2012 I got this one. This is the Smith Corona or Olympia SG3 that was left outside for 7 years underneath an awning, and this one I got by donation. This is that typewriter that just let me open it up. Was covered in rust. That's why I'm selling this one cheap. It isn't now, it's a bit dusty, but that's it, it actually works. There's a new ribbon in it and everything. So, I'm not to complain. These are good typewriters. This one is actually 2 now. Yeah, if it's not gonna be this one, it's gonna be 2 portables probably, but I hope to sell this one and that one, because they take up quite a lot of room. Okay, hopefully this is the last shot of them, because I could use some money and I could use some room. So I thank you for watching, and cross fingers. Bye bye.